Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another Deepvue tutorial. Just want to make a very quick one today on the newly added Market Brief feature here that you can find in your Deepvue dashboard. To access it, obviously visit the dashboard module, go over to Add Apps, and then it's called Market Brief down here. Basically what this feature is a breakdown of the current news related to the markets and a few key events here that we label as bullish, bearish, or just neutral. So basically the goal here is to give you a quick informed report on what's going on in the world and how it's impacting the market. So we give a nice breakdown here of what's going on, and then highlight those key news events here today. So obviously I'm recording this here on the 2nd of March. We just had the US and Israeli strikes on Iran over the weekend, and we break down kind of how that played out over the course of here on Monday, where stocks rallied after that gap down. So this is a great thing to review in the morning before the open as a part of your routine to get a quick informed view of key news events that happened, in the morning or, the prior session, after the prior session, whether that's over the weekend or whatever. And also to just be aware of those key events down here. So here we break down US and Israeli strikes on Iran over the weekend sparked initial market jitters with oil spiking, vols jumping across assets, and stocks dipping early Monday. But US equities quickly recovered. Major indexes turned positive midday, shrugging off the conflict. So you get a nice breakdown here, and this updates throughout the day. So obviously during the pre-market, we talked about what was going on as well and how things were opening lower. But now that the market's closed, we update this and give you an updated view of the market brief. So again, a great thing to help your situational awareness, something to read both pre and post market to get a quick breakdown of the market news. So again, to add it to your dashboard, let's just go ahead and create a new dashboard just to show. What you would do is go over here to Add Apps, go over to Market Brief, and then expand it to get that breakdown. And then you can add, anything else that you'd like to this dashboard. Like you saw, I had a chart, I had a quick thing with the indexes. That's all helpful to review along with this market brief, but definitely a very handy feature to again help with that situational awareness. So let us know what you think. And if you're not already part of Deepvue, check out deepvue.com down below. The link is right down there for you, and give us a shot. We've got a lot of amazing features that help growth stock traders save a ton of time during their routines and help them trade more effectively, find leading themes faster, find leading stocks faster, and overall, just become a more efficient trader. So check us out if you haven't already, and let Deepvue become your ultimate trading assistant. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Take care.